Alright everybody, today we got another giveaway video to do. I'm giving away the Venom Pro GPS streaming drone. It's a real beauty. But I gotta tell you something. I've never flown it. Okay? I've never got around to messing with this thing. Okay? I have never even assembled it yet. I did an unbox video on it, and that was it. Okay, and it's been sitting for a year behind the TV. I have boxes piled behind my TV, but the battery's good and everything. I checked it; it's all good. This is the charger. This is the quadcopter. This is where the battery goes, right in here. This is the camera. It has one of them tiltable cameras there. You gotta sit there and turn it with your finger. Oh no, there's a little dial on, or there's a little knob here you can use to turn it. Okay, it'll point pretty much straight down. Here's the transmitter. It has everything on the top up here is labeled. There's the easy mode, that means headless. There's the auto return, and there's the speed. This thing has so many features on it that you couldn't possibly test all this out with one battery. So you're going to have to charge this battery multiple times just to even try all these features. Here's the battery. It's a 7.4 700. Okay, it's a 2-cell. Here it has streaming, 720p, GPS, 3D flight, autopilot, flight trace, waypoints, follow me, and orbit. Which those things there, the follow me and the orbit, you will have to do the compass calibration and turn the GPS on to do those things. It won't do those just in the regular fly mode. Here's the box. See, I never even put the legs on. Okay. Here's the screws for the legs. Here's the extra props. There's the screwdriver. Got this little thing here. Don't eat that. I'll just throw it back in there. And here's the little thing that goes on where you put the phone on the transmitter and then you screw it together like that, you know. Goes on there like that, and then you put the screw through there, and yeah, I'm not doing all that. I'll let you do it. You can mess with it. We'll just throw it all back in there. But yeah, that's it, man. It has a lot of stuff to it. And the manual, and here's the charger, which I did put a little bit of juice in the battery just to be able to take it up here. But the charger works, so you plug it in, it's red. When you plug the battery into the charger, a green light will flash. And I guess when the charge is done, the green light will stop flashing. That's what I'm going to make. Because I didn't charge it all the way. I just put enough juice in it to take it off in the house. So, that's that. The manual, like I said, is very well written. It's real simple. And it shows you how to do the compass calibration here. I'm just going to calibrate the gyro. I'm just going to do the gyro calibration, because I'm just going to take it off here in the house. So there would be no GPS in here anyway. This is just one of these deals I just never got around to messing around with, okay? That's basically what this amounts to. I just never got the time. It got to be winter, and then it just, it just sat all winter. So I'm going to put the battery in here. And it has the JST connector for the battery hookup, so there's probably other batteries you could probably use in here. Get it wedged in there. I can't stand these kind of batteries, but everybody else seems to like them. I just don't care for them. I like the proprietary batteries. To me, they're just so much easier to deal with. I'm a fan of the proprietary batteries. Here's your Wi-Fi antenna right here. And there is an on and off switch right here. turns it on. Like I said, I don't have the I don't have the GPS turned on. There, I bound it up, and now I'm going to just do the level calibration. There. Okay, so you just go down and in for the start to arm the motors, not down and out like I was doing. Well, it's very stable even without the GPS, okay? Like I said, I've never flown this thing, so... All right, there you go. That's it. Fort Pitt. All right, boys. The Venom Pro. And this is going out to Raymond Millwood. So, Ray, shoot me an email and I'll get this out to you sometime during the week. If I can't get it out during the week, it'll have to be next Saturday. It all depends if I can get out of work in the nick of time and run down to the post office, because it's a big pain to get down to that post office before it closes. So if I can't get down to the post office during the week, I'll shoot down there Saturday morning and ship it out for sure Saturday. So yeah, it'll be all good. All right, guys, that's it. It's a beauty. The maiden voyage, and I didn't even crash. All right, have a nice day.